Why is your account or why was your account deactivated on Wise and how you can fix the issue? Well, hello everyone. For your information, a Wise account might be deactivated if it violates their terms of service, such as being used for suspicious activity, being a duplicate account, showing signs of security compromise, or engaging in transactions related to illegal or restricted items like cryptocurrency trading or payments for non-regulated products and services essentially. Wise may close an account if they believe it is being used in a way that goes against their customer agreement and could pose a risk to their platform or users. Now there are some key reasons for Wise account deactivation. Those key reasons could be suspicious activity, duplicate account, security concerns, unverified identity, non-compliance with regulations, or restricted activities. Now, what can you do if your Wise account is deactivated? The first thing is to check your email. Wise will usually send a notification explaining why your account was deactivated. Make sure you understand the rules and policies that might have been violated. Then you can contact the Wise support. Reach out to the customer service team to clarify the reason for the deactivation and discuss potential next steps. Hope this video helped. Do not forget to like and subscribe.